Write this down. The color I see on the screen is blue, and the video is 2.5 minutes long. Come back to this video next month to begin an experience that will blow your mind. If you've been on YouTube for a while, and especially if you've uploaded videos to the website at some point, one of the things that has been clear about YouTube from the very beginning of this website is that you can't add to a video once you've uploaded it. Once you've uploaded a video to this website, that video is the video. Sure, there's the YouTube editor in which you can now cut things out of a video, but you can't just edit a video with new additional information, and you can't add anything to the video. So once you upload a video, it can only get shorter, and you can't add something new, like a new color, to a video once you've uploaded it. Or can you? With this video, I'm doing a little experiment. In fact, it's actually a big experiment. I'm going to do the impossible. You won't believe it until you see it with your own eyes. I'm going to add to this video, making it longer, and I'm going to change the color of a colored slide. So if you haven't done it yet, write this down now. The color I see on the screen is blue, and the video is 2.5 minutes long. Seriously, write it down, because if you don't write it down now, you will doubt next month whether your memory is correct about what you saw today. So come back next month to see this video transform before your very eyes. It's going to blow your mind. And one more thing, and this is going to be the most unbelievable aspect of all of this. Not only did I change the color of a slide, and not only will I add new information to this video, but I will also change many of the illusions that you've been seeing throughout this video. The thing is, the YouTube editor only allows you to replace the audio of the video with a track from the music library, but there is no way to replace what you see on the screen using the YouTube editor. You can blur parts of the video, you can cut parts out of the video, but you can't replace the video itself with additional new video. So not only will I change the color, and not only will I make the video longer, but I'll also actually change the visuals that you see on the screen. So if that doesn't deserve a like and a comment, I don't know what does. I'm doing the impossible here. See you next month.